YouTube channel. I go by the name Pizzer_Faith. Today is another day. I found myself outdoors and I said, why not tag you along, you guys? So feel welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support so far. Today I'm just unwinding. It is a sunny afternoon and I'm heading to one of the major urban forest conservancies here in Nairobi. Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya, East Africa. So come with me, you guys, as we head towards the Karura forest. I'll be tagging you along as we also get to know how many activities or the kind of activities that take place there. So guys, I will be tagging you along and explain to you some of the activities that take place in the forest. It is known as Karura forest, and today we are outdoor, guys. So welcome, come with me as we unwind together. We are just cruising by foot. It's so nice to enjoy the breeze. It feels good to be outdoor, guys. So I must confess that some of my favorite activities to do is just to take nature walks, to unwind, as the day's activities are hectic and we need some break once in a while. So welcome to today's activity, guys. As you can see, I'm along the road. It is a busy road. It is known as Kiambu Road. So I'm using the entrance that is along Kiambu Road to access Karura forest. I'll be taking you along some of interesting activities that happen in the forest, guys. So stay tuned and come enjoy with me as we unwind in nature, through nature. One thing we must admit, guys, is that Kenya is a beautiful country. Like, just see around, just see the surroundings and you will know that it is a beautiful country just from the look of things, guys. Look along. This is part of the forest, guys. This is where it begins. The fence is over there. So as you can see, the forest is fenced with electric fence. So this is part of it. This is where it begins. The gate is over there ahead, and it is where I'm headed to. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be taking you along as we enjoy nature today. The gate I was anticipating that I will enter through is not for pedestrians like me. I'm told that people like me enter through another gate which is ahead of me. That is where I'm walking to. And this is also a part of the forest, guys, as you can see. It is still part of the great Karura forest. So I'm just patient walking along to see where the gates is, where the pedestrians enter. And of course, some details you have to know is that when you're entering Karura forest, they charge a small amount of fee for citizens, for residents and for non-residents. The prices differ. It is just a small affordable fee which goes to the maintenance of the forest in general. So let's keep walking. It is a sunny day. It is such a cool weather to take a nature walk. I'm a lover of nature, guys. Let me just tell you the truth. Look at these wonderful flowers over here. I love these flowers so much. I guess it's in the category of, is it palm trees in that family? It is always so appetizing, so beautiful. Just look at the flowers, guys. A whole nursery. The farmers here are doing a very great job. Yeah, to those who own pieces of land, you can always beautify your land with such flowers. Wow. And this is the forest, guys. I'm just trekking to the gate which I'm supposed to enter, and I'm not yet there, so I've just come across these beautiful flowers over here. I'm telling you, nature is always beautiful, guys. Always beautiful. Just check. Look at the flowers, guys. I wish I can capture the breeze. The breeze. Unfortunately, it cannot be captured. You can only feel it. Yeah, so guys, just look at the flowers, guys. And on, and the forest behind you. So beautiful. Hii inaitangwa aje? Inaitwa golden palm. Golden palm. Palm. Yeah, so it's the family of palm trees. Unauzanga moja aje? 1,000 per flower. See, they are flowers. These are flowers.
So palms.
Like they can act like flowers. Ama zinakuanga huko.
Zendage juu sana. Zendage juu sana.
Okay. So guys, we are deep into the forest, as you can see, and these are the footpaths we are following. Deep into the forest. Yeah, I guess when you shout, you can hear your echo. We are deep into this thick forest, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm following this path to the waterfalls and some caves known as the Mau Mau caves, where our freedom fighters used to hide from the colonialists. Yeah, so come along, I will take you along. It is a nature walk, guys. I hope you can feel the breeze with me. I hope you can feel the breeze with me, guys. The tranquility that nature offers you, it is second to none. Second to none, guys. Yeah, I will not be talking much. I'll just be cruising into this wonderful forest by foot as I bring you some of the interesting activities and sceneries. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys.
Yes, absolutely, yes, yes. Proper. As you know, the promoter.
Yeah, so guys, this is the forest and these are the footpaths. When you visit here, this is the footpath and this is the path you can use with your bike, the rental bike of course, which you rent from the gate at a certain fee. And yeah, I'm just here walking towards the waterfall and towards the Momo caves I've just mentioned earlier. And it is just such a sigh of fresh air. A lot of birds, a lot of butterflies. It is a wonderful gaze, guys. Yeah, and the tranquility of nature. The peace which nature brings. Such a perfect way to unwind your daily stress, your daily depression, your daily stressors. I hope you guys are well wherever you are. I am, as you can see, just enjoying nature, guys. No worry at all, guys. I'm just enjoying my stay here, my walk here. I wish I could take you along, each one of you along with me, but it is a nice thing that I go ahead of you so that when you plan to visit this forest known as Karura forest, when you see it fit to tag me along, I can always be resourceful, guys. Yeah, and things of that sort. Yeah, so stay tuned. It is a thick forest. I've just seen a monkey, only that it has hid. Yeah, so it is an active forest full of some animals like the monkey. I've just seen a monkey over there. It has just hid. A borehole. Does a borehole look like this? And what about it? Yeah, it is such a large pipe. I don't know where it is heading to. Huh? What is it?
Maybe the main water pipe.
Water pipe?
Yeah, it's little LCC pipe. LCC pipe.
So that means it is a water pipe.
Even a sewer pipe it may be, but these are consortium.
Oh, the
I think it's Nairobi sewer and what?
Sewer, see, it starts with S. NCC. Pipeline. NCC pipeline. Whatever that means. This is the control center. The control point. NCC pipeline. Whatever that means. Yes.
Yes, your material.
Sasen?
Wow.
Yeah, these trees are nice, my friend. Do you know the names of these trees? You don't know? Which part do you enjoy of nature? The walks, the activities, like seeing waterfalls or those caves you are going to see? What is of interest to you?
For me, generally,
Huh?
I enjoy nature, whether it is wildlife,
Huh?
whether it's swimming,
Huh?
whether it is waterfall.
Huh?
Do you believe yesterday
Yes?
I was at Aberdare when I'm driving to pick up?
Ndovu.
Yeah.
And you came at a close proximity.
Yes, I'm trying to give a guideline of pick up.
Huh? And you were never afraid?
Hapa kuna mmoja alikuwa anakusikia kidogo but
You managed.
yeah.
Huh?
We decided to stop and was trying to come towards our car and we decided to hold on ground.
Huh?
Finally, I could come
Okay.
But generally, I love nature.
I love nature too, by the way. It is so relaxing, it is so refreshing, and you just appear to be peaceful when you're walking towards nature, through nature, by nature, all of that, all those prepositions. Just look at those trees. And this is courtesy of some selfless individuals like Wangari Maathai. By the way, do you know this land is highly contested? Given its location, yeah.
Between you and me,
Huh?
it's contested, right?
So you see, this is an urban space. Like, it is always highly contested, but it was put to a stop, and like the likes of people like Wangari Maathai. What is with this tree you're looking at? Is it familiar? These can't be fruits. Is it possible there are fruits on the leaves? I don't think so. But let me not deny, I don't know much about trees. Yeah, so I'm saying, like, some of the people who fought for conserving this environment, CEO of Wangari Maathai and some other people like that. Yeah. So courtesy of those people, we are walking in such a wonderful forest.
Very greedy men like me will even think of doing it.
Yeah, sure. And bearing in mind it is near the capital. So
Yeah, near the city center.
yeah, so that is why it is.
Very prime land.
Yeah, it is prime, but courtesy of selfless people, we are able to enjoy this serene environment. Yeah. Guys, this is the slope in which we are heading towards the waterfall. I can already hear the voice, the sound of water. And yeah, this is the slope. Just walking towards it. I hope you can hear the waterfall from a distance. Yes, guys. And your girl over here. Just over here, guys. And surprisingly, there are a lot of people, a bunch of people. So let us see where the water is headed to us to, as we figure out where the waterfalls could be. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the Karura River. Yeah, which should be the source of our waterfall. Yeah, just figure it out. Of course, the waterfall should be downstream. Over there, guys. The waterfall is over there, guys. Just hear the sound of the water. The sound of the water, guys. Karura waterfalls. Yeah. You can see there, no swimming at the waterfall or anywhere else in Karura forest. Guys, just look at it, guys. And a lot of people over there. A lot of people over there. Yes, guys. This is the famous Karura waterfalls. And the river flows. Hope it goes, guys. That is the waterfall, and I don't know whether we missed the Mau caves, but that is our next activity. Look at that tree, guys. I don't know what kind of tree is that, by the way. Now we are heading towards the Mau caves, where our freedom fighters used to hide from the colonialists. Look at this tree, enormous tree that just fell down. Oh God, no, oh no. This kind of tree escapes my mind every other time, my guys. Such a huge tree. I think we are in the caves. I think these are the caves. You see, like this one. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, these are the caves. We've just arrived. This is the onset, guys. And our river over there. Yeah, guys, we've just arrived at a major cave. Look at this cave, guys, and this is a tree, a very huge tree. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so you knew where we were coming all along. Such a huge cave, guys. Yeah. That is one major cave, guys. This is where our Mau fighters used to hide from their colonialists, from our colonialists. And the freedom we enjoy today, guys, it was courtesy of their efforts, guys. Yeah, all this in Karura forest. So guys, that was my short nature walk. And as you can see, I'm really running out of breath. We are going up here. We are just from down the waterfalls and the Momo caves. Yeah, I'm just thinking of just now going back home. Yeah, because I think I've interacted with nature, guys. Yeah. So finally I'm back to the footpaths, and yeah, I made it, guys. Such a wonderful adventure. That was my tour guide partner over there. Yeah, just here sweating. Pumzika tu nakuja. The I&M Bank Limited Forest, born on 13 November 5 in commemoration of the Silver Jubilee celebration of I&M Bank. Okay. Yeah, sure. Oh. Guys, I am here at a junction here. So yeah, I entered through gate C. So from where I am to gate C is about 2 kilometers. And to another gate, gate A, which is the main entrance, it is like 3 kilometers. Yeah, that gate along Limuru Road. And this is a washroom in case you find yourself first, and this is the washing area. You can wash your hands after using the toilet. And this is the detergent. Yeah, so you cannot suffer when you're in this forest. Yeah, this is how the toilet looks like. The African way, a pit latrine. So clean, no worries when using the toilet. Yeah, so when you find yourself in Karura forest, there is everything you can ever wish to interact with in nature. It is safe. In my mind, I was thinking that I can come in contact with animals, but it is a safe space to walk, even alone, as long as you have the map and a sense of direction to where you're heading to. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Yeah, so guys, these are some of the resting places. When you've walked and you're a bit tired, yeah, you can rest over there. There are several spots to rest. And now, what interests me are these indigenous trees, guys. Look at that. Look at it, guys. And this is the path you can follow to gate A. I was privileged to accomplish some activities like going to the waterfalls and back, but I've heard there are some activities like there's a playground when you can play tennis. There's also a restaurant when you get hungry. So when you visit this forest, you're sure to visit all those places and to have an awesome experience, guys. Yeah, so I end the journey of touring the forest here. Yeah. A lot of eucalyptus trees over here. And another tree, I don't know, it is in the same family. Yeah, as the eucalyptus trees. What I've observed about this forest is that it's like the trees are systematically planted. Like there are certain family of trees that you will find at a specific place, and now, for example, this place you can only see the eucalyptus trees. All these are eucalyptus trees, and where we are from, there were a lot of indigenous trees. Yeah, so that is what I've just observed, guys. But all in all, the trees, the forest is very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful, guys. The clear skies. Yeah, and the songs from the birds. I don't know whether you can hear in the background. Yeah, in the background there are some birds singing. Yeah, there are some birds singing in the background. Pure awesomeness. Nature is so awesome, guys. Yeah, you have to wear some shoes which will enable you to walk, because it is all about nature walk at the end of the day. A lot of warning signs and litter bins over there, other resting places over there. Adventure for those who are willing to come. These are the rules. And yes, I've walked several kilometers today and I don't complain. It is a good part of the exercise. Yeah, when you look it from the health perspective. So yeah, I wind up, guys. Thank you for clicking, thank you for tuning in. So until the next adventure, I say bye bye, guys.